Now I can hear you. Hi, how are you?
Good evening. Yeah, I'm fine. What about you?
I'm also good. Can't complain.
Okay. Yeah, we know very well
Yes,
what's
yes.
going on.
So, Ravi, could you please tell me about yourself?
Sure. I am Ravi, and I am from Jalandhar, which is in Punjab, and I work in finance company. If I talk about my hobbies are playing cricket and watching cricket. Apart from that, I spend most of the time on YouTube. So, whatever I do, my speaking practice, my listening practice, and my even my reading practice, yeah, I do with the help of YouTube. I have subscribed sub channel on YouTube, so I do these things there.
Oh, nice. So, do you have a YouTube channel as well?
Yeah, I have some unique channel.
I'm
So
asking about your own channel. Do you have your own channel you created?
okay, yeah, I have. Yeah, I have created my own channel, English with Ravi Pri. So I have uploaded only two videos with
Okay.
this one of them with the Clappingo teacher and one of them with the YouTube friends. I met someone on YouTube, so I made video with him.
Okay. So, did you join
Yeah,
Clappingo platform as well?
yeah. I have I have joined Clappingo in this month, and after watching your videos, yeah, few days ago I was watching your videos. Lots of videos you made with what's his name? What is Dibyam sir?
Okay. Yes, yes, yes.
So I thought, yeah, I thought I should join this platform. So
So,
I did. Now I have completed, I think, 10 to 12 session there.
okay, okay. So how do you find these sessions on Clappingo? Is it helpful?
Yeah, it is helpful. When you communicate with someone, to each other, there is that's an atmosphere is good. When you talk to someone, each other, there is no one with who will interrupt you.
Mm-hmm.
So I think it's a good, like you speak that person and he will and he answer and he try to rectify your pronunciation, your mistake. He observes your mistake and he says to, yeah, this thing I think you speak this thing wrong. I think next time you will remove this mistake. So I think
Yes.
it will help if you join that session. And
Okay. Okay. So how did you find my videos?
actually, as I mentioned that lots of time I spent on YouTube. So one day
Okay.
when I was watching Alina videos, then I found Sonam. After that, I found Pratima. Then when I think you made one
Okay.
video with I think Sonam or Pratima. I don't know.
No,
I
so
forgot
no.
who.
I
Yeah. So then from there I visited on your site. So here there I found lots of videos with Clappingo. So I watch one, two, three, and every videos I commented some unique. I try to comment some unique. So that's this thing I did.
okay, great, great. Thank you for watching my videos. What should I
Yeah,
say?
actually
Thank you
it's
so much, and I hope that it is beneficial for you in terms of learning.
yeah. I do my speaking parts with your videos. Whatever you speak, whatever you start your conversation with Divyans or with anyone, first I listen to you, then I pause. Whatever you speak, I try to convert all those words in my word.
Oh,
So
okay,
yeah, I do
that's
this
nice.
these things. So it will it is a good thing. You never feel that you get bored when you
Hmm.
convert some words into your words.
Yes, yes. Nowadays, I'm also, I mean, indulging myself in that level. Like, not, and whenever, I mean, anyone comes in front of me and say, you need to say like this. Okay, so I need to say like this. Okay, from now I will use these words. This is like attitude, and I find it very, what should I say, fun, playful.
It's a, yeah.
Yeah. So,
But
okay.
you have got a unique teacher, Divyam. I have joined 2 sessions with him,
Okay.
so it's good. I feel whenever I join, again I try to join with him, but I think now he's preparing for exam these days. So I
I don't
think,
know. I don't know. Is he preparing for
sorry,
examination?
sorry, he that one another teacher, but he this time he just gives 2 and 2 hours every day.
I don't know. I mean,
Divyam,
yeah,
I ask, I
oh,
ask,
okay, great. So I mean, did you found him very interesting, very
yeah,
uh,
but
interactive
it's
person?
but it's really difficult to join a book slot with him. If you want to join a session with him, then you will have to get up sharp 12 o'clock. Then you can do.
I thought like only girls are there who are crazy about for him, but there are
No,
boys as well. Yeah.
there are
So
some teacher in Clapingo who always, who always try to rectify you at the same time. When you speak, after a few, they take some minutes, uh, and then they try to rectify your words or whatever you speak at the same time. But some of them they don't do. They just listen you.
okay, so so far I have experienced with 5 to 4, approximately 5 to 6 teachers. I'm a tutor, and if I talk my experience about my experience, so I found all of them very good in terms of politeness, in terms of
Yeah,
rectifying you, in terms of giving a very healthy and friendly atmosphere. Just because I must say that tutor Divyam is awesome tutor, and he has a great communication skills. And in terms of looking as well, girls are dying for him. So
that's why I mentioned. But comment on your videos.
yes. So these are the good things which make him different. But in terms of English, I must say they all the tutors are very good, very good. If you ask me
Yeah,
personally, because of YouTube, my viewers want to watch my conversation with tutor Divyam. But if you ask me frankly, there are other tutor as well, and I really want to communicate with them. Sometimes I feel that I need to have conversation with them as well, but I'm a YouTuber, so most priority I need to think about my viewers. So
yeah,
that is
definitely.
why I did all my conversations with tutor Divyam. But there is one another tutor. I mean, all tutors are great, but Trisha or Kisha, yes, tutor Kisha. She is very humble and very good tutor. In one moment you realize that this is the one tutor I will go for long time. I must say, if
Okay,
you will get chance, so please have experience
definitely.
with her, Kisha.
I have left some, session.
Okay. So okay,
So definitely I will join.
let's talk that how you, how tutors rectify you, and what is your preferable way to rectify yourself. Like if I talk about myself, if someone interrupt between my conversation, middle of my conversation, so I become more conscious, and I do more mistakes. So sometimes I feel that is it okay to rectify myself at end of the conversation? What do you think about that?
Yeah, it's a good thing when when we speak and somebody interrupt. We get nervous
Yes.
what to say and how to say. But as a person who do not try to interrupt us, and whatever we speak, he tries to rectify us at the end of the conversation. That is the good thing, because on that time we feel relaxed and we can concentrate on that person whatever he's speaking.
Hmm.
So this is the good way.
Also our fluency as well, because if someone interrupt middle of your conversation and tell you that, hey, you're doing this mistakes, please don't do that, then it's obvious that we conscious about these mistakes, and we will
Yeah.
do mistakes again and again and again till the conversation and sorry end of the conversation. So sometimes I feel, but because I paid money on Clappingo, so I mean I don't think about these things. I just uh, talk more and try to speak more and more and try to make more mistakes so that I will learn from my mistakes.
Yeah, that's great thing. But what I do that some when I speak on Clappingo. So after completing the session, I watch that videos again so that I can rectify myself where I do mistake and how could I pronounce that word which I was not able to pronounce that time.
Yes.
After that, there is one problem which I have, that is I speak fast. So a lot of teacher, a lot of student, friends and tutor, they suggest me to speak slow because they say that when you speak slow you do little mistake, least mistake, sometimes. But when you speak fast you do lot of mistakes and you stuck while speaking what
Yes,
to say. And
it happens.
because yeah, there is it's you have a one mind. So we are not used to these things, like we are not a native speaker, so
Hmm.
it will take time when we
Hmm.
habitual of these things,
Yes, yes.
and we
At
will
the
come
same time,
habitual
we
of these
need to
things. So
coordinate with various things about language. So it is difficult to coordinate with all these things, and it's obvious that we do mistakes. And the same thing happens.
same thing.
Yeah, happens with me. I'm always in like hurry, in the mood of hurry. I don't know how to express myself. So yeah, so sometimes what happens with me that I forget to use some words. you know so this is how I do mistakes as well. And you're right, but at the same time I feel that if nobody is there to interrupt me, so I can express my thoughts in good way and
Yes.
in fluent manner. Yeah, I feel
Yeah,
so. Yeah,
that's the I do
one
interesting.
session it is not enough in one session that you can correct yourself completely, or yeah, so it is good. And yeah, I also watch my session after finishing my session, recording session, and try to find that where I did mistakes and how I need to improve myself. But having said that, if someone interrupts you middle of your conversation, so it is easy to feed in mind that this is something didn't I did mistake, and I need to correct this thing. And at the same time we say in the same sentence in correct way, so we now from that uh, after that rectifying situation or whatever, that I don't get the proper phrase, we will habitual, I mean, for with correct sentence. So this is how clapping go. If someone asks me that why you are joining, why did you join clapping go, so this is for this reason I joined clapping go, because someone there in my conversation to correct me at the same time, and I can improve myself or I can correct myself on that moment itself.
Yeah, I watch your video in which Divyam, he does these things, but he wait for your when you complete whatever he does when you complete your sentence,
Yes.
but he never tries to stop you between the sentence.
No, you did. You didn't watch it completely, I must say. You should watch more videos.
In
He
the earlier he does, in the earlier videos he does, but now these days
I asked him, and why. I mean, sometimes I feel that is it correct way to learn English, because you interrupt you interrupt me middle of my conversation, and I stuck, and I confused, and then I do mistakes again and again. End of the conversation. So I'm learning. I'm not learning. So he says, no, this is how you will fluent with accuracy, and it is right. Yeah, absolutely
But
right.
that thing, all those things keep on running in our mind. Oh, I do that mistake. I did that mistake. How do I correct it? How? Why did I do that mistake? These these types,
Silly.
comments or things, start running in our mind.
Yes, and even we know all the things very well. Even after that, we do mistakes, silly mistakes.
Yes.
Like, so it happens, it's very obvious, but we take it very seriously. We don't need to take it very seriously. We are learning language, so it takes time.
Yeah, we do actually. When we speak in Hindi and Punjabis, we do every day lots of mistakes. We never try to speak grammatical
Hmm.
sentence in grammatical manner.
Hmm.
But nobody, stop you. Nobody says that. Oh, you did not make correct sentence. This is not a Punjabi word. It is a Hindi word.
Yes.
But when it comes to speaking English, a person who doesn't know, who is not master English, even that person tries to correct me.
Yes, you are absolutely right. Nowadays, everyone wants to correct me whenever I call someone. Oh, you need to say like that. You need to say like that. Oh my God, you. Okay, so yeah, we have a little time. We have so how do you find so far? I mean, do you have improvement on your language skill because of
Yeah,
platform?
yes. These days, I am getting better day by day, because before 2 months, when I didn't watch your videos, I didn't have a good idea. But it is the magic of your videos and other videos from where I got one idea. So how could I speak more? And clapping of why I joined that. So I have lots of questions in my mind. How could I speak that thing? So every day I try to ask the tutor, is it correct or not? Is it, how could I speak that things? That's why. And the main thing that is I speak fast. When I speak fast in my with my friends, with my colleagues, they never try to stop me, because they know, basically, I live when I was 14 or 18 years old. Then I was in Himachal, and those people, they speak very fast.
Oh,
So it is my dialect to, we can it is in our blood, you can say, to speak fast. So
I
they
have.
tried. Every tutor try, every tutor suggest these things. No, Ravi, you are good, but you need to speak slow. You need to speak slow. I say yes, ma'am.
In terms of speaking fast, I am also likewise. I mean, like you, and I'm also trying to calm down myself and try to speak. I mean, I'm just trying to put my thoughts. That's it. Whenever I talk
Like,
in from my heart,
from the bottom of my heart.
from the bottom of my heart, so I can speak easily. I can express myself easily, and I don't do
I picked, yeah.
I don't do any mistakes. Yeah.
Yeah, I picked this thing from you, to speak slow.
Oh, okay. Thank you so much. But if I talk about myself, I mean, I also improved a lot because of different platforms, not only
Yes.
Clapping. I joined Cambly as well, and I had Pingolan experience as well. This is also another
Okay.
website for learning English. These platforms helped me a lot. But having said that, I mean, despite the fact, still there is long way to go, and there is
Yes.
so many things to improve in my English, like pronunciation, pauses, voice modulation. If you really want to improve, if you see that, oh my god, I'm very low level wise, if I say, and there is so many things to improve in terms of getting fluency, in terms of getting accuracy, in terms of having good communication
There is a
skills.
network problem.
Yeah, I feel so. Yeah,
Hello.
I think we have good
Yes.
conversation, and we both
Yeah.
enjoyed a lot. I think so. Right?
Yeah. Okay. Bye bye.
Okay. Bye bye. Take care.